Johnny here, and this is my review of Ready Our 30-day food supply. And today I'm going to be opening this up and cooking some of this up and letting you know what I think of how it tastes. So we got this just to be ready for any disasters and things that might come up so that we can feed our family if the stores are closed and we can't get any food. So we got a bunch of these. They come in this handy bucket. They're easy to carry and store and stack. They stack really well. I like that about them. And so it comes sealed around the side. I already took the seal off, but that's what it looks like there. I'll get rid of that. And I noticed that it actually opens up like a little box like that. You can take the lid off fully, but that's how it opens. So what we got in here, we have some creamy chicken flavored rice. So I'm going to cook this up and see what it tastes like. So the pack opened pretty easy and it is resealable, which is nice, but there's an oxygen absorber in there which we need to remove. So I'm going to pour it into this bowl first and see if I can find that oxygen absorber and get rid of it before I put it in the pan. There it is. It actually stayed in the packet when I poured it out, so it was easy to find. Next we got to bring 5 cups of water to the boil. Okay, our water's boiling now, so we can pour in the entire contents of the pouch. And mix it all in there. This has got to now simmer for 20 minutes, so we'll come back when that's done. Okay, so 20 minutes later, and this is kind of what it looks like, so I'm excited to give it a try. So let's see what it tastes like. And I have to say that's really nice. And I would not mind eating that at all in a survival situation. That's really tasty. So, yep, that's my review, and I hope you find that useful. Johnny here, and before you click off to Amazon, just to let you know that there is a direct link to the product in the description under this video. And if you purchase through our link, then we do get a small commission at no cost to yourself. So if you do that, then we'll be really grateful, and helps to support the channel and keep us doing what we do. So thanks again, and God bless.